Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva free stock photos in your Canva app. So what you have to do is to you can choose any document to edit, or let's say you are creating an Instagram post. All you have to do is to click on the icon and for it to take you to a different page where you can edit the items in the template. So once the page gets good, once the page is loaded up, we can choose a customizable template. So let's just choose any templates. It doesn't matter the occasion. You can be editing your video, you can be editing a picture. So once you've chosen your templates, we can edit or choose a stock photo in Canva by clicking on the element section. Click on the element section and then you would see recently used shapes, pictures, AI image generator, stickers, and then photos. We'll click on the see all and we get to see all the photos that Canva has, stock photos Canva has already, and we can now proceed to even search for them. Let's say I want a different background. Let me type in white background. I get to see all the photos here, and I can also go back to see all the other stock photos that I need, human beings, animations, cartoons, anything, any stock photo. So you can click on them and add them here, or add them to wherever you feel is best. And that is how to edit or use Canvas stock photos in your designs. So if you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.